Alright everybody, who's ready for some more Devilgrams? But yours truly. And this one is for the Asmodeus fans tonight. What is up guys, Kick here, aka Enderdev here. And tonight I'm going to be doing some more Devilgrams for you guys. So I'm going to be doing one that focuses on one character. So this one is for all the Asmodeus fans tonight. And so this one I'm about to react to is called To Sound the Somber Balls, everybody. Super hyped and excited, and I hope you guys are too. And of course, you know, another thing that I'm happy for, I just want to say thank you guys so much for helping me reach 160 subscribers, y'all. I finally did it. You guys helped me out. I'm so happy. 160, everybody. You guys helped me reach that goal. And of course, if you guys haven't heard of my Love and Deep Space videos that I've been posting over the past few days, I told you guys if you guys help me reach that goal, then I will react to Raphael's newest myth story, y'all. And I think it's called Tears of Ramiro. His new myth story, y'all. His third one. So I'm gonna definitely be reacting to that one soon. So definitely stay tuned for that. Alrighty. And of course, if you guys haven't heard of my Devilgrams, I told you that I will be doing this one featuring Asmo. So this is an SSR card that I got right here. And so the other one I'm going to be doing is a Diablo one, everybody. So I'll show you to you at the end, y'all. So definitely stay tuned for that. But of course, if you like what you see and want to see more, including more Devilgrams from me, please hit that like button and subscribe button, y'all. And hit the notification bell so you won't miss the end of the videos and community posts, y'all. And of course, alright, since you guys helped me reach 160 subscribers, my upcoming milestone goal, if you guys help me out with that, is 180, y'all. 180 subscribers, y'all. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, y'all. I am like 40 subscribers away from reaching my main goal this year, and that is 200 subscribers, y'all. 200, we're almost there. I'm 40 subscribers away from reaching it, y'all. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, y'all. Please. Every bit of it counts. And anyway, y'all, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and do less talking, more reacting. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this Devilgram with me, y'all. Let's go. To sound the somber balls. Aww. Yeah, we do. Would you like me to make everything? Yeah. You sure? I'm not helping you. Alright. Alright, let's get started.
Yay!
Alright. Certainly. Let's go. Alright. At least everything is going good. So it looks like we're doing some cheering for the RAD Tournament, which is really expected if you can tell by the picture, which is really cute, by the way. But anyway, y'all, let's keep going. Alright.
Onegai.
Alrighty. Let's do it. Alrighty. Sure thing. Let's do it. My Asmo. Oh! Oh! Oh my god. Time to be silly. I'm gonna do it with the microphone. Go Asmo, come on. Go Asmo, come on. Come on, Asmo, you got this. You got this. Alrighty. Alright. No problem, Asmo. Go, 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 Asmo. You got this. You got this. Alright. Let's keep going. I got it. Alright, I'm gonna do a dance with the pom-pom. Hey, 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 hey. Go, Asmo. Go, Asmo. Yep, stay focused. You did it! Yay! Good job, Asmodeus. You did it.
Yay!
Alright, good game, good game. Alright, you were amazing, Asmo. Alright, let's go. Alright, I know these stories are going by way too fast. Forgive me. Alright, last story. I'm trying to hurry. I think it's around like about to be 1 o'clock in the morning. Morning almost, so I'm trying to hurry. Hope I get some stuff done. Alright. Wait, wasn't your practice time a bit short? Yes? Okay. Alrighty, let's do it. What's up? Alright. What approach is that? Alright. True, true. Yeah. Kinda. Who am I kidding? Yes. Yeah. Alright, let's cheer our hearts out together, shall we? You're welcome. We got this, Asmo. Yeah. Let's do it. Alright. Alright. Had to cut it off there because I accidentally pushed the top one again. So what I was trying to say was that was a really good one. I didn't mean to push the top one again. So of course, if it's edited out, understand why. But anyway, y'all, I know that this was a very short video, but if y'all stuck around from the beginning to the end, y'all, I really, really appreciate it. And of course, if you like what you see, I want to see more, please hit that like button and subscribe button, y'all, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a many videos and community posts, y'all. And of course, let me show you which Diablo story I'm planning on doing. So it's this one right here, Diablo's Wish. So definitely hit that subscribe button, y'all. That way you automatically get notified when I release it, y'all. So definitely stay tuned for that. But anyway, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys all in the next video, y'all. And of course, as always, this is Kiki, aka Underdog, signing out. Peace out, guys.